The Toyota Eco-Youth program is Toyota's effort to instill environmental awareness in younger generations. The Toyota Eco-Youth program, which first started in 2001, is an ongoing collaboration between UMW Toyota Motor and Ministry of Education. Toyota Eco-Youth's objective is to cultivate environmental awareness and the importance of preserving the environment amongst the younger generation. It focuses on activities such as planting trees, recycling, saving water, energy, and protecting animals. Using the QC approach of problem-solving methodology, Toyota Eco-Youth fully utilizes the 8 steps required in the process. Select topic. Understand situation. Set target. Analyze cause. Draft countermeasures. Implement countermeasures. Check result. Standardize and establish control. The Toyota Eco-Youth program begins annually with a workshop and the official launching event with students gathering from each state. Students will first be tutored by our facilitators in understanding and utilizing the 8 steps problem-solving methodology process. A month after the workshop and launch event, a project verification visit will be conducted to monitor each individual school. Schools are then required to identify the environmental issues at their respective communities. Only then will the schools set out to implement their project upon confirmation during the conducted verification visit. An on-site judging will be conducted 4 months after the initial implementation of the projects. This visit will enable us to physically observe if the methodology provided was being used and if the community has benefited from the environment projects carried out. The event finale will be an exhibition, convention, and the official closing event. Participants are required to present and exhibit their project to determine the winners of the Toyota Eco-Youth program. Winning schools will be announced and awarded during a prize presentation ceremony at the end of the event. The Toyota Eco-Youth program will continue to promote environmental awareness and sustainability in its efforts to establish a society in harmony with nature.